Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Friday, February 17th, and we have a huge collection of blenders to share with you. But the first thing I wanted to show you was this quilt, which is a digital top that is made out of the blenders that I'm getting ready to show you. So this is called Dashing Dots. It finishes at 55 by 55, and it only just takes the one 2.5 inch strip roll plus black yardage. So come on over and I'll share the roll with you and the pattern. So this is the pattern. It's called Dashing Dots. I think Dashing Dots. It just takes the one 2.5 inch strip pack, which is all the colors that I have here on the table with me, and then 3 yards of a black background. So an easy grab and go for the next time you need a quick, colorful project. Now these are called Flourish. We have a lot, let's see, 31 bolts, jelly rolls, and then of course the pattern for the digital quilt top I showed you. This is a new basic by QT Fabrics. It's a leafscape of color and texture. So I want you to come in and really get a look at that. It has kind of a brush texture on top of a leafy pattern, and then there's a lot of different color within every single bolt. It's great as a blender or a standalone print, available in 31 colors. I'm not going to bore you with all of the colors, but I did want to show you some of our favorites. And there's lots of intriguing variation within the design to coordinate with any project. I really like this one because that combination of purple and sage green and gray is so pretty. So when you're looking for, something interesting for your next project, that one has a little dark blue in it. I like that one as well. These might make great borders, great backings, or of course, like I showed you in the quilt before, just great quilt material in general. So I'll let you take a look at all the colors. Again, we have 31 colors of this, and this is reorderable, so we will be carrying it for a while. If you see one you like, you might want to come in though. One of those cat bolts that I showed you a couple days ago is already gone. So you just never know how popular something is going to be once it pops out on video. And if you love what you see, it's a good idea to get it now. I hope you have a great weekend. I'm going to have a great weekend. We're going to the outdoor Carolina Hurricanes game. Let's go Canes. And I will see you back here from the shop on Monday. Bye.